We're about to go to Atlanta. Okay, so yeah, we're going to Atlanta. I know I'm looking rough right now. I'm about to go to the barbershop. I'm gonna take you guys on a journey all the way from here to Atlanta, and I'm gonna document some of the stuff that's going on in Atlanta, but the whole purpose of me going there is for this Forex conference. And in my first video, I think I spoke about, well, actually not my first video, maybe my second video, I spoke about it. But yeah, here's the video here. I spoke about making money with Forex. So I'm going to take you guys with me to experience the whole thing. And also, you know, I'm sure the video quality is a little better in this video. I'm using my brand new, well, not brand new, but I'm using my new camera to me, my Sony A5000. And if you haven't seen the video of me reviewing it and kind of talking about the difference between using my iPhone versus this, you can definitely check out that video here. But yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go get this haircut, get the stubble shaved down, get my beard in line so we can go to Atlanta and not look like a werewolf. See you in a few. On my way to Atlanta. It is freezing here in Virginia. I have both my jackets on. All right, heading to the airport. I'll see you guys there. Hey, I'm in Atlanta. Yep. At the W in Atlanta, we're getting ready to go to this Forex conference. I got some amazing people. Oh, it's a little dark right here. Let me turn back around. Got some amazing people that I want you guys to see. I'm gonna get them to talk about Forex because again, I'm just getting started with it, but I have some professionals here. I want to introduce you to some of my close friends, financial advisors and stuff like that. I want to bring you guys some good content today. We're in Atlanta. Let's go. Turn up.
Can you guys agree we're still living in a prehistoric technology? Banks still close at what time? They still open at? It still takes 2 weeks to send money across the world. Why? When you could Google anything through Wikipedia and Google in seconds. Yeah. So we're lacking what technology, guys, and this is Bitcoin. I'm going to give you guys really briefly this information. Guys, Bitcoin's 8,500. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, excuse me. Only 21 million. That's through 2008. Just so you guys can understand what blockchain is. Who's heard of blockchain? Just kind of raise your hand. And I'm gonna make this as simple as possible so you walk out of this and understand, okay, blockchain makes sense, Bitcoin makes sense. I'm gonna get involved in cryptocurrency because it just makes sense, right? Imagine if you would have been, hedged or positioned before you knew Amazon was about to come out because someone explained it to you. You would have bought some stock, right? Same thing with Bitcoin. So blockchain, look, data is stored in blocks that are permanently linked together. A ledger, think of PayPal, think of your bank. You got transactions coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. Same thing's what a ledger is. So this is what blockchain is doing. Every data is stored in a block, all right? That can't be rewritten. Look, regardless of the day and age we live in, all information with enough power and money can be tampered with. You understand that? And what I'm trying to say is the world is a little corrupted. Can y'all agree? Yeah. So with money, too much power, people can change. Bitcoin does afford yourself. So what it means is price will rally, it will go bonkers from a penny to a couple $100 for 1,000 days. And if you guys see the next 400 days, it went into a bear market. Some of you guys got into IM Master Academy when Bitcoin went from 20,000 down to 3. That was opportunity. And some of you guys didn't buy at 3 and you didn't sell at 13. So this is all information you guys gotta have. So the market will continue to do these 4-year cycles. And this is the truth. See, anyone know who Crypto Picasso is by any chance? Yeah! Listen, I've been learning from him for years now. Thankfully, by the grace of God, we're working together on SwipeCoin and with Ivan Paychecks. And we got together. Thank you. We got together and we really dissected this chart and we said, just so you guys understand, Bitcoin in the next 5-6 years, whether you believe it or not, could be priced anywhere from $100 to $250,000 a coin. And I've been sharing with this, for the last 2.5 years with you guys in IM Master Academy, but a lot of us aren't taking action. That's why I always start my keynotes with what word? 1, 2, 3? Action. 1, 2, 3? Action. So what do we gotta do? We gotta take action. Because listen, Bitcoin waits for nobody. Nobody at all. You guys can see it's about to be at 9,000. Once it crosses this line of 9,000 and it just breaks with enough momentum, this thing's going to 13, 15, 20, and once it breaks new all-time highs, this thing will just run. It will just completely run. So we're about to be in a brand new 4-year cycle. And let me tell you, what are the first 3 years? Massive impulse money just going on. Because have you guys noticed on your Instagram and Facebook, people are posting it a little bit more? Bitcoin's up 10%, 20%, and then the Uber drivers are going to be letting you know about it. And that's when you know people are starting to get into it. And then everyone on Facebook, maybe 10, 20, 30. That's when you know that this market is moving and we're getting close to sell. Because we buy the fear, we sell the greed. You guys understand that? So ideally, when we do jump in a bear market, if our predictions, Picasso and myself, if we do the most potent, the most important cryptocurrency in the market. So if you guys have noticed, if Bitcoin goes up, what happens to the rest of the market? It goes up with it. Now if Bitcoin starts tanking and dumping, what happens to the rest of the altcoins? They fall. So you want to make sure that your whole portfolio is allocated to Bitcoin, and this is a problem with a lot of people. You fall in love with the cryptocurrency. You heard about Ethereum, you read about Ripple, you read about this, and you fell in love. And you married a coin, and that's the worst decision you could do. Because the most of your portfolio should be allocated to Bitcoin. Let me give you an example here, 2018 and 19. What did Bitcoin do all of 2019? It went from 3 grand to 13,000, right? Now, I'm a big fan of XRP. I'm a big investor behind it. But what did it do in 2019? Nothing. It actually went down in price. You guys understand that? So if you would have been completely hedged and allocated and all your funds were in XRP, you missed the entire move of Bitcoin and all its profit potential. You guys understand that? So that's why I recommend that 50% of your portfolio is always directed to Bitcoin. The rest, altcoins, these are the altcoins that I recommend everybody. XRP, Ethereum, I recommend Litecoin, XLM, and BAT. I only invest in these cryptocurrencies because I believe they're going to be here in 5, 10, 15 years from now, and they have an actual use case. See, if we go to the stock era of 93, 94, 95, a lot of these companies went completely gone. They bubble burst, they disappeared. You want to be invested in cryptocurrencies that are going to be.
All right, it's day 2 in Atlanta. Last night was amazing. They spoke a lot about crypto, Forex, stocks, everything, you name it. They even spoke about wealth management, making sure you put money to the side, you don't blow it all on frivolous, items and stuff like that. I couldn't record but so much while I was actually in the conference, but right now we're going to go back up to the conference and talk to my buddy Dante. He's one of the owner of Team 2WeekNotice. We're gonna let him talk to you guys about Forex because he's a lot more educated in that area, and let's go hop in the Uber, go back down to the conference center, and let him talk to you guys about Forex. Come on, let's go. So like I said, I'm gonna introduce you to my guy Dante. He's one of the owners of Team 2WeekNotice, and we got him in the building with us right now. We at the Run the Play event. Yo, bro, I was telling him about you, and you know we go way back. I think what, middle school? All the way to middle school, bro. Man. So yeah, I wanted them to hear directly from you about your experience with Forex, bro, and Team 2WeekNotice. I know, like I said, he's the one that brought me into this Forex situation. So I let him explain the team a little bit, and you know, go ahead and say your thing, bro.
Cool. Well, I just want to give back to you, man. Big shout out to you, everything that you're doing.
Appreciate
it, bro. Bringing this phenomenal information to the community, talking about multiple streams of income.
Yeah.
It's 2020. The days of having one stream of income,
that's dead, bro.
It's over. It's over. So just give you a little bit of background about myself again. I'm the founder of our private international trading group, Team 2WeekNotice. So we are a private group who trades in the foreign exchange market. We also trade cryptos, we trade some stocks and some binary options, but we primarily focus on, what's going on, Cash? What's going on? Alright, so we primarily focus on Forex and crypto, alright? So what we do is, yes sir, look, and Meg can tell you, we just got some secret sauce on the next moves from crypto, alright? So we are also, not only do we trade together, we chart together, we do technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis as a group. In conjunction with that, we also have partnered with a platform that provides us with education as well. So last night we were able to receive some live education from some of the top crypto traders in the world, alright? One of our teachers, his name is Crypto Picasso, y'all check him out. He's one of the most sought after crypto educators on the planet, and he's one of our educators, and he's dropping a lot of sauce, especially when it comes to that crypto market.
Amazing stuff, bro.
Amazing
stuff, bro. But yeah, so I just wanted to introduce y'all to my man Dante. You definitely gonna see a lot more of him. You know, I got a new segment that I'm gonna be bringing. It's gonna be called Put Some Tech on It, and we're gonna sit down and really talk about technology and finance and stuff like that. But I wanted you to be able to go a little more in depth, and you know, we're gonna do a lot more, bro. But like I say, this is my dude, man, the linebacker, bigger than me, got me looking like a short guy over here, bro. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you,
man.
Alright.
And look, y'all need to keep tuning in to what Ben is doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Follow him, follow his videos. But let me tell y'all something. He's humble. He's a humble guy. But when it comes to this crypto game, Ben, he got it on lock. All right. So we got the man on the crypto side. You got the man, this team. The
whole team.
Side, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more sauce, all right, about Team 2WeekNotice, all right? So within the past 2 years, we've been able to have 18 members submit 2 weeks notices, both full-time and part-time.
Hey, it ain't just a name, they really doing it, y'all.
Right. And
doing it.
And we just got word last night that one of our teammates just became a 6-figure trader.
Oh, that's huge, bro.
Yes, sir.
That's huge. That's a lot of your own personal time back. You know, it don't take a lot of time to trade, so that's really why I'm in it for. I'm trying to get a little more free time. But
yeah. And look, if y'all want one of these Team 2WeekNotice shirts, hey, get with Ben.
Yeah.
We'll make sure y'all get one, okay?
Oh, the information gonna be in the description. So
okay.
Definitely,
Okay.
Bro. I'm gonna tag all of that. Gonna make sure y'all get the merch and all of that. But stay tuned. You're gonna see a lot more of Dante, and we out.
All right, y'all. Have a good one.
All right. Last day. Heading back home. Atlanta was awesome. I got a lot of good information. Got a chance to chill with some of my friends. You know, just kind of hang out and network. We're about to head home. Let's go to the airport. for Tamika to come around and pick me up. Long flight. Had a long layover in the airport because they oversold the flight. Oh, let me see. Tamika should be coming around. All right, here she comes. Hey y'all. Hey, back with the family. What's up, y'all? What's up, Noah, man? Long trip, long trip. Alright guys, I finally made it home. Atlanta was amazing. Thanks for sticking through this whole thing with me. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, like and comment. Let me know what you think about it. Out.